If you love your car as much as you love your tech, you're in for a treat. From smart devices that make driving safer to clever little tools that make everyday trips easier, these 15 coolest car gadgets on Amazon are total game changers. Whether you're a road trip junkie, a daily commuter, or someone who just wants to upgrade their ride, these gadgets will make you wonder how you ever drove without them. Let's check out the must-have car accessories you'll wish you bought sooner. Microfiber Towels. The Varnix Microfiber Towels are a total game changer for car enthusiasts. Priced at just $18, these extra-large 36 by 24-inch towels soak up 10 times their weight, drying your entire vehicle in minutes. No streaks, no fatigue. The set even includes a 12-inch by 12-inch chamois towel for precision detailing on mirrors and windows. Their edgeless, ultra-soft microfiber safely glides over paint and chrome without leaving scratches or swirls. Whether it's a quick wash or a full detail, these towels deliver a spotless, showroom-level shine every time. A must-have for any car care kit. Star Projector. The Star Projector is a fun and affordable way to transform your car's interior for just $10. This mini USB gadget creates a dreamy, starry sky effect on your car roof, setting a relaxing or romantic vibe on night drives. With its adjustable rotating head, you can switch between multiple light patterns, while the flexible neck lets you bend and aim it anywhere. It's plug and play and works with any USB port, perfect for cars, bedrooms, or even your workspace. Small, portable, and super cool, this little light adds big charm. MagSafe Car Mount. The eSamcore MagSafe Car Mount is a sleek and reliable car gadget priced at just $16. Designed for MagSafe compatible iPhones, 12 and newer, it offers a powerful magnetic hold and effortless one-hand phone placement. The flexible, bendable aluminum arm lets you adjust viewing angles easily, perfect for dashboards, consoles, or even behind the screen. Its 3M hook and loop adhesive pad ensures strong grip, yet allows easy removal without residue. Though it doesn't charge, its stability, portability, and clean design make it a must-have accessory for modern drivers. Sunblocker. The Sunblocker is a smart and practical car gadget priced at $23, perfect for anyone tired of harsh sunlight and glare while driving. Featuring a patented magnetic connection, it allows you to easily adjust the visor lens in all directions, up, down, left, or right, for full coverage. The polarized lens reduces glare and UV rays, keeping your vision clear and safe. Installation is tool-free and fits most cars and SUVs. Stable, reliable, and easy to use, this sun visor extension delivers maximum comfort and eye protection on every drive. RGB Rock Lights. The Yile RGB Rock Lights are an exciting $47 upgrade for any car or truck enthusiast. With 15 ultra-bright 5050 LEDs per pod, these lights deliver stunning multicolor effects and even sync to your music for a dynamic driving vibe. A unique brake warning function turns all lights red when braking, boosting safety and style. Built with ultrasonic welding technology, they're IP68 waterproof, dustproof, and built to last. Control is easy through the app or 4-key remote, making installation simple. Perfect for off-road vehicles, motorcycles, or street rides, these lights truly stand out. G10 Display. The G10 Display is a powerful and affordable $30 car gadget that upgrades your driving experience with real-time data and safety features. Acting as a heads-up display, it projects essential info like speed, altitude, direction, and GPS coordinates directly into your view. It automatically adjusts brightness based on lighting conditions for clear visibility day or night. With an overspeed alarm and fatigue reminder, it enhances road safety on long trips. Simple plug-and-play setup via USB makes installation effortless. A sleek, functional tool for smarter and safer driving. LED Gap Organizer. The LED Gap Organizer is a sleek and practical $40 car gadget that combines style, storage, and convenience. This 3-in-1 design features dual USB charging ports, a cup holder, and a compact storage slot for small items, perfect for keeping your car neat and functional. Made of premium ABS plastic and PU leather, it fits snugly between your seat and console. The built-in LED light bar adds a modern glow, making it easy to find items at night while enhancing your car's interior. Simple to install and perfect for tech-savvy drivers. Tire Inflator. The Tire Inflator is a compact and powerful $27 car gadget that every driver should own. With 3 times faster inflation, it can fill a car tire from 0 to 36 psi in just 6 minutes and a bike tire in 15 seconds. Powered by a 6,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it also doubles as a USB power bank and emergency flashlight. The LED display ensures precise pressure readings and automatic shutoff for worry-free use. Lightweight and portable, it fits easily in your glove box, perfect for cars, bikes, or roadside emergencies. Reliable, smart, and travel-ready. Retractable Charger. The Retractable Charger is a smart and compact $13 car gadget that saves space while keeping your devices powered on the go. Redesigned to be 60% smaller, it fits nearly all vehicle models without blocking the gear shift. Featuring a built-in 30-watt PD USB-C retractable cable, it can charge your iPhone 15 to 17 or Galaxy S25 Ultra from 0 to 80% in just 30 minutes. With an additional 15-watt USB-C and 12-watt USB-A port, it powers up to 3 devices at once. The retractable 31.5-inch cord adds convenience, perfect for daily drives or road trips. Wireless CarPlay screen. The Lumtito. Wireless CarPlay screen is an impressive $60 upgrade that transforms any car into a smart, connected ride. It supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, offering seamless wireless connectivity for navigation, music, and calls. With Bluetooth 5.3, FM transmission, and AUX output, it delivers clear, lossless audio through your car's speakers. The built-in mic allows hands-free voice control via Siri or Google Assistant, keeping you safe on the road. Its 9.26-inch HD touchscreen even supports video mirroring for entertainment, perfect for long drives or family trips. A fantastic all-in-one car tech upgrade. GPS Tracker. The Atlas GPS Tracker is an affordable and reliable $8 car gadget that offers powerful real-time tracking in a compact design. With a battery life of up to 14 days, it's perfect for cars, bikes, RVs, or even personal use to track kids or valuables. The app provides live updates every 5 seconds, route history through the Time Machine feature, and customizable geofencing alerts for extra security. Compatible with both iOS and Android, it uses 4G coverage across North America and beyond, an excellent low-cost solution for peace of mind and safety. Wireless Car Charger. The Wireless Car Charger is a versatile $20 car gadget that combines charging and convenience in one sleek package. Its 3-in-1 design allows easy mounting on your windshield, dashboard, or air vent, perfect for any vehicle. The smart auto clamping feature securely grips your phone, providing true hands-free use while driving. With fast wireless charging, your phone powers up quickly. Ideal for Uber drivers, commuters, and road trip lovers. The reusable, ultra-strong suction cup ensures a stable hold on any surface. Say goodbye to messy cables and enjoy effortless, clutter-free charging on the go. Car Fan. The Car Fan is a practical $20 gadget that keeps your vehicle cool and comfortable for everyone on board. With dual 4-inch fans and 360-degree manual rotation, it ensures powerful airflow reaches every corner, perfect for kids, pets, and backseat passengers. The stepless speed control lets you adjust cooling intensity easily, while the dual fan design improves air circulation and removes odors. Installation is simple. Just clip it to the headrest and plug it into the cigarette lighter. With its long power cord, it fits most cars, SUVs, trucks, and RVs. A must-have for summer drives. Trunk Organizer. The Trunk Organizer is a smart and durable $18 car gadget designed to keep your cargo area tidy and efficient. The 2025 upgraded model uses high-density 6x6 Oxford fabric pockets, boosting storage capacity by 40% while maintaining excellent structure and durability. Made from waterproof 600D Oxford fabric with reinforced stitching, it's built to last under daily use. Installation takes under 3 minutes using 4 non-slip strips, securing it firmly to the seat. With 8 spacious, well-arranged pockets, this organizer prevents clutter and keeps all your essentials neatly in place. Perfect for any car owner.